Hello people, good afternoon. Today we evacuation of sk200-8 Kobelco excavator, and we use this is bulldozer, and then there we use excavator 200-8 Kobelco, and this problem is
Excavator units inside swampy land. We haven't evacuated in 3 days. The crash was gas. His helper man used to planting a dead dog. Helper said, I don't know it is true or no, and then impossible and possible.
about evacuation excavator, and we use calling again one again excavator there. Can you see there? Okay, come on, he come to for evacuation. Okay, thank you for report today, and then see you next time.